Hello everyone, I am Aditya Guha. In my previous video, I demonstrated how to set up a dual boot system with Windows and Ubuntu. In this video, I am going to show you how to safely remove the dual boot configuration, either if you are facing boot issues or if you want to completely reset or remove Ubuntu from your device. Since Ubuntu does not have a direct reset mechanism like Windows and Mac OS, the only reliable way is to perform a clean reinstallation or a complete removal from the disk. And that's exactly what we'll cover step by step today. We'll be working with disk partitions and bootloader configuration, so make sure you follow each and every step very carefully to avoid data loss or a GRUB menu loader. So coming back to the video, so guys, make sure to back up all your data from Ubuntu and then boot into Windows. So now I've already booted into Windows, and let's go to partitions. And here, as you can see, our Ubuntu drive is this 226 GB one, and the rest two is health recovery partitions, which we can remove from command line itself. First, we have to delete this 226 GB drive which was dedicated to Ubuntu, and delete this 226 one normally from the disk partition itself. And in the command line, follow these commands exactly. First, we'll use the diskpart command, and then here from diskpart, type command list disk. So here one disk is showing, which is our primary drive. Select the disk 0 and then list partition, and then select the 810 MB partition, which is 4, and delete partition override. Once this is done, we can completely use this unallocated space by extending the volume. And next. It will choose the default extension for expanding the drive. And after this, we have to go to reset this PC, which is the setting in which is the option in the setting. And from here, we have to reinstall the Windows update. Click OK. So here, as we can see, Windows 11 version repair version has been arrived, and we have to install this. So as soon as the installation of this repair version is done, we have to come back to the diskpart command line, and we have to again list partition and select the partition 1, which is the system 1, and assign a letter to this drive. We'll take Z for this, and then we'll go to task manager, and from here we have to go to run new task, browse, and here you can see the system DRV, which is which is listed as drive Z. And from here you have to go to EFI, and here in EFI we have to delete this folder Ubuntu. This is a very crucial step, because if you don't remove the Ubuntu folder from the EFI, then during reboot, the computer may fail to boot and will go into GRUB menu. And to avoid that, we have to remove we have to remove the Ubuntu folder. Yeah, so Windows 11 version repair version is now been downloaded, and once it is downloaded, it will ask for a reboot. And once you reboot this system, it will normally boot into Windows itself. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to like, share and subscribe.